Oh, okay. What's on that card? Are there trains? Where's the train? And what else is in there?
I don't know.
Is Santa on that?
That's Santa Claus.
It is?
I close it.
Oh, and then what happens when you open it?
Close it.
Oh.
See, wait.
I
Red on red.
Uh-huh. Are there presents?
Grab an abuse kit.
You gotta close it and open it back up. Can you say, thank you, Bugga? Thank you, Papa. You say, thanks, Bugga? You say, thanks, Bugga. No.